everyone, I am delighted to welcome you to Samarkand State Medical University. I am Yukta Madhukumar. I am from Pathanamthitta. I am a second year medical student studying in this university. Samarkand State Medical University is certified by NMC and accepted by WHO. Now I am here in Republican Hospital, which is a government hospital under the Samarkand State Medical University. Here we have a lots of departments, which includes Morpho department, Neuro department, First Aid, Internal Disease, and etc. Now I am here from Internal Disease department. I have class. I have come here to talk during my break. Talking about our faculties, here we have got Indian registered doctors. There is no language barrier between the students and the teachers. Their doors are open to us for any clearance of doubts. Here we have Morpho department, where we have 3 classes: microbiology, path anat, and path physics. We have got Indian teachers who ask us questions on the daily basis and mark us according to 5-point grading scale. Here we have got laboratories for neurology, microbiology, and pathology as well. Also, we have First Aid, a subject called First Aid, where we have the theory classes in the Republican Hospital and we go to Simulation Center for practicing clinical skills. We have got 2 different hostels for girls and boys. Girls' hostel is near the university, which is in a 5-minute walkable distance. Talking about girls' hostel, we have got 4 sharing and 2 sharing rooms. The mess is Indian mess, which has both South Indian and North Indian cuisine. The rooms and the floors along with the toilets are always kept neat and tidy. Talking about safety of the girls here in Samarkand, parents are far more concerned about their girl child to leave them to any other foreign countries regarding their safety. But here, me as a girl, it's far more safer for the girls for studying as well as for a peaceful environment. Talking about Samarkand city, here the people are very welcoming to Hindustanis. Whenever they listen to any of the Hindustani songs, they respect us and they welcome us in a very good way. Here we have got Seo Basa, which has got lots of Indian spices and food at a very affordable rate for the people living here. During our leisure time, we have got parks and also malls. Here in the parks, we can spend our time and also we can study here in a very peaceful environment. We have got different types of canteens even in the Republican Hospital where we can have food and study. Talking about how I got to know about SSMU is through the social media of MD House. My admission is through MD House, which also has a branch in Kerala as well as Tamil Nadu named Southern Medicals. Talking about my admission procedure, it was very smooth and hassle-free. The documentation did not take much time and it was conducted very smoothly by our consultant. Here we are guided by Indian consultants, which are Indian certified doctors. They'll not only guide us through these 6 years, but they'll also provide us a lifelong guidance. I want to thank MD House and Southern Medicals for helping me pursue my dream. Thank you.